Hi, my name is Dhriti. So I'm a third year student at Flame University. I am majoring in international studies and I'm doing a minor in literary and cultural studies. I went for the study abroad program in the second semester of my second year. And I went to Wellesley College, which is in Boston. So I chose this program because I really wanted to get a taste of how it would be to study abroad, even for a short period of time, because I knew I'd be pursuing my master's or a career abroad, and I really wanted to get the experience of studying in an educational institution there. And Flame was offering this program, which a lot of Indian universities wasn't offering. So I was just making the most of my time here. Yes, I most definitely did find a lot of parallels between Wellesley and Flame, but specifically in the way the courses are designed and structured, I realized that when I didn't have any problem gelling in with the academics there, because I think Flame was very similar in structuring their courses to the way Wellesley does. So my experience, definitely there were a lot of ups and downs, some things that I didn't expect, some things that I absolutely had no problem in figuring out. I think a lot of the major thing that I struggled with was the cultural shock that I didn't expect. There was, even though there were a lot of Indians and a lot of Indian Americans, I definitely took some time in, adjusting myself and my behavior so that I could gel in and fit in better there. And I think my experience there definitely was wholesome. It was very eye-opening, but it was definitely needed for me, at least. Yeah.